Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making Instant Pot Chicken Parmesan. Alright guys, I'm starting out here. I took 3 boneless skinless chicken breasts, I cut them in half and I seasoned them with some salt and pepper and Italian seasoning on both sides. Now in my Instant Pot I'm going to add a 24-ounce bottle of marinara sauce. I'm also going to add a 1/4 cup of water. I'm just going to use a jar and eyeball it. And guys, this is a real quick and easy one. I'm not going to believe how easy it is. I'm going to take my chicken breast and I'm going to lay them down in the sauce. Getting them down in there. And if they overlap each other in the Instant Pot, that's no big deal. That'll work out just fine. Alright. Now I'm going to put my lid on here and I'm going to set this to pressure cook for 3 minutes. When my 3 minutes are up, I'll do a quick release of the pressure. Alright, now that my chicken's done and I took it out of the pressure cooker, I laid it on a sheet pan lined with some foil. I'm going to put a little bit of grated Parmesan cheese on there. That's going to give us that chicken parm flavor. You can put as much or as little as you like on there. Okay, now I have some shredded mozzarella cheese. We're going to put some of that on there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in the oven under the broiler for a few minutes so that cheese melts and it starts to get bubbly and brown. But you want to keep an eye on it because under the broiler things tend to broil pretty fast. Guys, I went ahead and made some spaghetti to serve this with and I sprinkled a little bit of dry basil on top. Let me go ahead and cut in the chicken here so you guys can see it. As you can see, my chicken's cooked through. Nice and tender, moist. Has that good chicken parmesan flavor. The cheese going on and the spices. Stuffing piece of spaghetti out, guys. That's really good and it wasn't hard at all, guys. Only took a few minutes. Alright, there you have it. Instant Pot Chicken Parmesan. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.